All right, guys, our first victim.
Junior, they have a doorbell camera.
Oh.
Dang it, dude. We should have brought ski masks.
Good idea.
We don't want them to think we're robbing them.
We don't want to give our identity away either.
They already saw our face.
Cover it up or something.
They already saw our face, Joseph. We're cooked.
I'm just trying to help.
You can't really ding-dong ditch people's houses in 2024. Everyone has a doorbell camera.
Well, I mean, we're here. We might as well still do it.
Yeah, press it.
Okay.
Nah, I like it. Huh? Wait a minute. Somebody ding-dong ditched my house earlier tonight, and I've been looking for the pranksters who did it. Was that you?
No, this is the first house I...
Back to what I was yelling at you kids about. You guys have been ding-dong ditching, and you ding-dong ditched my house, me on a wild goose chase and wasted my time.
Sorry.
Yeah, that's right. You better be sorry. And you better watch out, too, because that's dangerous. You don't want to end up like ding-dong ditch Mitch.
Who's